Hello, I'm Naoki. Today I'm talking about Jeanne. Few days ago, information Jeanne coming west. So today I'm talking Jeanne and unboxing Jeanne, this Japanese version, limited edition. And this Jeanne's producing Ishida Sui, girls manga writer. So now let's unboxing this limited edition. I already unboxing, but unboxing. This is a limited edition package, and this one is a standard edition, Japanese standard edition, Jeanne. And the inside of Japanese limited edition unboxing now. It's awesome. Ishida Sui's many Ishida Sui's illustration inside. Yeah, it's really beautiful. And the inside, 2 CD included. Then this one is a original CD, drama CD. This CD is a vocal collection. So this 2 CD including limited edition. But this is a Japanese limited edition, not the United States or Europe edition, just a Japanese edition. And still inside other stuff. This one is a novel in Jeanne, but unfortunately, this is a Japanese edition. Therefore, all writing are Japanese and vertical writing, and of course, including Jeanne Switch version, and of course this is a standard edition, and this is including limited version. But the same of the standard edition looks. Maybe I think United States have a limited edition too. Maybe, I hope. Today I'm introduce Jeanne and unboxing Jeanne limited edition Japanese version. So good night.